and often go to bed late, planning and thinking about your class. Even if you are tired, you put the biggest smile on your face so that you can teach and reach to the minds and hearts of children. You are a difference maker. We salute you for your dedication and work. Always respect your teachers. Thank you.
Pledge to the nation. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of history and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning, dear students and teachers. Today's topic is respecting teachers. Do you think that we should respect teachers? Yes. There is a saying, it says in Hindi, गुरु गोविंद दो खरे काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. Can anybody tell me the meaning of this? Yes, tell me.
In their God coming, in their teacher. First of all, touch feet of teacher. First of all.
Yes. Why we should touch the feet? Even if there is God in front of you and there is a teacher, first you should bow down before the teacher. Why you know? Because we are ignorant. We don't have the knowledge. If the teacher does not tell us that this is your God, or he is a god, or she is a goddess, we will not understand. So, teachers are here to remove or pull out from the darkness of ignorance. And where are they taking us to? To the blissful world of knowledge. Okay. So, there's a lot of hard work going behind your teachers. What we will concentrate is our teachers who are teaching you all. Okay. So, they are standing and teaching you. So, practically, they are standing for the whole day. Only during the recess or different time, even if they are duty, they are not sitting also. Can you consider yourself standing for the whole day? No. And we don't want you also, isn't it? So, you have to, why this topic has been given, respecting teachers? Because we found out that some of you don't respect your teachers. My dear students, please understand that this is the biggest mistake that you can do in your life if you are not respecting your teachers. When you start respecting your teachers, you start respecting the time that they are spending upon you. आपके ऊपर जो समय वो दे रहे हैं, उसका वैल्यू आपको समझ में आएगा. And it is very important for all of you to understand or value time. Already we have gone through that time management. So I also expect all of you to pay heed to what teachers are telling you. And if they are scolding you or if they are telling you something, then also you should be paying heed. You should make those changes in yourself. ठीक है? अगर टीचर कुछ बोल रहे हैं तो you have to listen to them. You should make those changes in yourself. Okay? So very nice topic, respecting teachers. I was very happy to learn about this topic because generally teachers, they do not keep them as priority. They keep themselves as the last one. So, being a teacher myself, I want all of you to, this is the noblest profession. very few professions are there which we call as noble profession. Do you know what is profession? Job, teaching, being a doctor. These are considered as very, very noble professions because you do not think about yourself when you get into this kind of professions. Okay? So many of you will be. How many of you aspire to be teachers? टीचिंग करना चाहते हैं, टीचर बनना चाहते हैं? Okay. Yes. So, my dear students, you have to be the best in your studies because a teacher cannot afford to do any mistake while teaching, isn't it? Because if I am teaching something wrong, then my 40 or 45 students will also learn in wrong things, isn't it? Okay? So, God bless you all. Have a nice day.